today we are filming a street food vlog. मतलब डीप फ्राइड ऑयली खाना और कभी कभी गरम तवे के सामने खड़े रह के फूड मेकिंग को शूट करना। घर आने तक फेस एकदम ऑयली हो जाता है। So I am using Mamaearth's charcoal face wash which is especially for oil control. इसमें है activated charcoal that deep cleans pores and absorbs excess oil from the skin, coffee which soothes the skin and promotes even skin tone, and aloe vera that helps in skin hydration and nourishment. I also love their C3 face mask which has coffee, clay and charcoal, and it tightens the skin and makes it supple. All Mamaearth products are paraben and sulfate free and are completely natural and dermatologically tested. You can use my coupon code ANAGHA2021 for 20% discount from the Mamaearth website and Mamaearth app. So do check out the link in the description, and now let's get started with the food vlog. Hi guys and welcome to another food vlog. So today we are in Kopri which is in Thane East, and इस एरिया में भी काफ़ी सारे स्ट्रीट फूड प्लेसेस हैं जो हम लोग आज आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं. So watch the video till the end and yeah, let's get started. So first up we had a plate of moong bhaji and batata vada sambar at this place called Vijay Snacks Corner. You will get a blend of both Maharashtrian and South Indian snacks here. One plate of batata vada sambar had 2 vadas, ample amount of sambar, a coconut based chutney, and this was entirely for 35 rupees. The vada is really nice. ऊपर का जो कवरिंग है काफ़ी अच्छा है, फ्लफी है, and along with the sambar it's tasting really good. I'll try with the chutney now. The chutney is also yummy. Coconut chutney एकदम subtle है, ज़्यादा spicy नहीं है, लेकिन it's going really well with the vada and sambar. And I really like the quality of vada pav. Texture काफ़ी अच्छा है and it's really flavorful. Next up we had this plate of moong bhajis which was again for 35 rupees, and they looked so cute and crunchy. Moong bhajis are a perfect evening snack and these ones looked so inviting. So the next dish is this plate of moong bhaji, and ये भी कोकोनट चटनी के साथ सर्व की है, एंड देयर इज़ ऑल्सो दिस कोकोनट एंड लहसुन चटनी जो ज़्यादा स्पाइसी रहती है, और जिनको बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पाइसी पसंद है उनके लिए फ्राइड चिलीज भी है. सो लेट मी टेक अ बाइट. The interiors of these moong bhajis were perfectly spongy and fluffy, and we could also see some ajwain seeds which are an important part of any pakoda. These moong bhajis are amazing. इनका कवरिंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्रिस्पी है और अंदर से भी सब कुछ नीट अच्छी तरह से पका हुआ है. It's really amazing, and right amount of salt and spice levels. You should definitely try these. Overall, this place had a really good vibe and it was clean and well maintained. Next up, we went to Dilip Chaat Center, which is probably Kopri people's favorite place to have chaat. We had their basket chaat, which was for 60 rupees. The crispy deep fried basket was filled with some potatoes, onions, topped with some cheese and save and some coriander. The basket chaat was a blend of all kinds of flavors and textures: sweet, salty, spicy, crunchy, and it was an absolute flavor bomb like any other chaat dish. Taste wise, it was mainly like sev puri but only in a different form. And you guys will be surprised to know about the life story of the owner of this place. He was very kind and friendly and almost had a chat with every customer. No doubt this place is always crowded. Next up we had a plate of mutton keema pav at this place named Anil Keema Patties. This place is located near the Fataka market in Kopri. Let's talk about this delicious looking dish which was for 100 rupees. So guys, right now we are at a place called Anil Keema Patties Pav and यहाँ पे मैंने मंगाया है मटन कीमा, सूखा मटन कीमा along with pav. So let me taste it.
अरे टाइम पास, अरे टाइम पास.
अब यहाँ पे ऑयल देख सकते हो, मतलब कितना फैटी और रिच है ये, एंड इट इज़ सो फ्लेवरफुल और काफ़ी स्पाइसी भी है, विच आई लाइक. द मिंस्ड मटन was cooked perfectly and we could taste amazing blend of Indian spices like some cardamom, pepper and bay leaf. We absolutely loved this dish and we will definitely come here again to try some more dishes. So guys, this is not the exact ideal time to come to this place. Right now it's like 8:30 and if you guys want to come, do come here at 6 PM which is the best time and you will get to see everything being done live. So yeah, remember that. Next up we went to this place called Sardarji Malai Chap and Fast Food. Here we ordered half a plate of Irani Malai Soya Chap which was for 130 rupees. This place is pure veg and serves many different types of soya chap. Each of these beautifully marinated soya chaps have a distinct flavor. And this is how our Irani Malai soya chap was made. It was nicely basted with some butter and put inside the tandoor. After being cooked in the tandoor, the soya chap had a beautiful char. And then it was chopped into pieces. These chunky soya chap nuggets were then coated with a lot of butter, a lot of fresh cream and some herbs and spices. Honestly, the making looked so tempting and inviting. So our Irani Malai soya chap was ready and it was served with some green chutney. After taking the first bite, I could get that beautiful smooth texture of the soya chap and its distinct aroma. It's actually quite satisfying to chew into a soya chap and you will only understand the texture after you taste it yourself.
बहुत juicy, yummy और क्या कहते हैं, succulent और क्या बता सकते हैं भाई. हम लोग ने इससे पहले लखनऊ में खाए थे सोया चाप. लास्ट टाइम आपने ब्लॉग देखा ही रहेगा, नहीं देखा है तो जाओ हमारे चैनल पे, बिल्कुल देखना, वो भी बहुत मज़ा आया था। उसके बाद मैं सोच रहा था कि यहाँ पे कहाँ मिलेगा अच्छा सोया जाप, और देखो हमारे नज़दीक ही है, ठाणे में ही है ये सोया जाप, और बहुत अच्छा है टेस्ट वाइज। अच्छा प्राइस वाइज इनका है प्राइस 180 200 जो हम लोग ने अभी आपको बताया, बट इट इज़ वर्थ ऑफ इट, इट इज़ वर्थ ऑफ इट। वी रियली फाउंड इट रियली टेस्टी एंड डिलीशियस, एंड राइट नाउ अभी मैं इसको देने नहीं वाला हूँ।
और हमने सिर्फ हाफ क्वांटिटी मंगाया था, और हाफ में भी आई थिंक द क्वांटिटी इज़ क्वाइट जनरस। एंड चटनी के बारे में बताऊँ तो इट्स अ चिली बेस्ड चटनी, और शायद इसमें कर्ड भी है क्योंकि थोड़ा सावर फ्लेवर भी आ रहा है। The next place that we visited cannot exactly come under street food. It's a restaurant, but we had read really good reviews about this place. This place serves amazing Chinese food, and we tried one of their starters. So guys, right now we are at the Papaji's Fast Food and Chinese Corner, और यहाँ पे हमने जो डिश मंगाई है इसका नाम है पनीर सैटे। एंड सबसे पहले हम लोग को फ्राइड नूडल्स और उसके साथ शेजवान चटनी भी सर्व की उन्होंने, विच इज़ रियली ग्रेट। सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस नाउ। Quantity wise, this paneer satay dish was perfect. It had 8 big chunky pieces of paneer coated with beautiful sauces. And garnished with some peanuts, garlic and spring onions. Firstly, loved the way this dish was presented. पनीर की जो क्वालिटी है ना, काफ़ी अच्छे क्वालिटी का पनीर यूज़ किया है, एंड बाहर से क्रिस्पी भी है, सॉसी भी है, एकदम ऑथेंटिक इंडियन चाइनीज़ फ्लेवर है, एंड इट्स वेरी बैलेंस्ड, लाइक इट्स स्पाइसी एंड सॉल्टी एंड स्वीट एंड टैंगी ऑल टुगेदर, सो इट्स रियली फ्लेवरफुल। It was a combined food vlog, so we couldn't try more dishes, but we will definitely come here to try another dishes from their Chinese menu. You can definitely add this place in the list of one of the best places to have amazing Chinese food in Thane. So guys, that was it about today's food vlog. If you loved it, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And talking about Mama Earth's Plant Goodness initiative, every time you buy from them, Mama Earth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. All Mama Earth products are available on the Mama Earth app and their website, and you can also purchase their products from Nykaa, Amazon or Purple. And also they are plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. So do check out all the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.